back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you and show you how to prepare tortitas de queso, cheese patties in an amazing mole sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start by first cleaning the chile pastilla, chile California, and the chile de árbol. You want to remove all the skin. Of course, the chile de árbol, I'm using 5 of them. I have 5 garlic cloves that I'm waking up so that I can remove the seeds. This mole, this sauce comes out delicious and amazing. And I have a small onion. I am going to add the whole onion into this amazing mole. Let me tell you, this sauce, this mole comes out delicious and amazing. And here I have my 3 tomatoes that I already cubed, and then I'm ready. I am ready to make this amazing sauce. And here in a saucepan, I have a little bit of vegetable oil, half an onion that I'm going to caramelize, adding my garlic, making sure that my garlic doesn't burn. After a couple minutes, adding on my chilies, saute them for 2 to 3 minutes, and then adding my tomato. Once you add your tomato, you are going to add 2 cups of hot water. This is going to help hydrate and soft the chilies. After 2 to 3 minutes in medium-low heat, I am ready to remove. The chilies have been hydrated. They're nice and mushy and soft. And now I am ready to put everything into my blender cup. Garlic, all the chilies, the tomato, and the onion. And of course, all that amazing liquid. Once you have everything in your blender cup, we're going to blend for a couple minutes, making sure that you add salt to taste, black pepper, and of course, a little bit of chicken bouillon. I'm going to blend in the same pan. I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add the mixture of the blender. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to my blender to clean it and release all that amazing sauce. And now I am going to cook in medium-low heat so it gets nice and thick. While this is cooking, let's prepare our tortitas. I have the cheese on top of a napkin so that it absorbs the excessive liquid. And I am going to cube my queso fresco, and I am going to put it aside. And now I am ready for the eggs. I am using 5 eggs. I'm going to remove the yolk from the whites because the white I am going to get nice and fluffy. Take your time when you do it. You really don't want to explode the yolk. So take your time when you're removing the yolk so you don't explode your yolk on top of your white. And now we are ready to mix, blend, make it nice and fluffy. And this is going to take about 5 minutes. But once this is nice and fluffy, you're ready to add your yolks. Once you add your yolks, 1 or 2 minutes, and then they're ready. On the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot. And of course, I didn't record the part where I'm adding the cheese into the fluffy mixture of the egg, but I will show you right now how easy it is to prepare it. Look at this. You have to make sure that the vegetable oil is nice and hot. You have a plate ready with some napkins to take the excessive oil out of your patties. And of course, this is how I add the cheese into the fluffy egg and then into the oil. And let's make our amazing and delicious tortitas de queso. You're going to love these tortitas. Once you make them at home, you are going to love them. And in this amazing and delicious mole, just perfection made at home. If you don't like spicy food, just add 1 chile de árbol. I added 5, But if you don't want spiciness and you only want the amazing um flavor of the chilies, just add one chile de árbol. And once this is done, you are ready to add all your patties into the amazing sauce. Let me show you. I love adding all the patties into the sauce, but I'm going to leave some out for the presentation. And now the sauce has thickened. It's in medium, very low heat. And now I'm ready to add the patties filled with cheese, queso fresco. You could enjoy it with the steamed rice, with the Mexican rice, with the veggie rice, with tortillas, or even in tacos. Like, subscribe, and share. You're going to love this recipe. And be generous with your cheese. You want to make sure that you cover all your patties with the amazing mole. Cover it, enjoy it, and of course, I want to show you. I want to show you how I'm going to enjoy it and how it looks from the inside of the patty. Let me tell you, I was very generous with the cheese. I love queso fresco. So here I am ready to slice one up and show you how they look from the inside. Look how dark this looks. Look how delicious it looks. I can't wait to dig in. But of course, I need to cut one so that you could see how much cheese it has and how delicious this looks. I'm going to enjoy it with a tortilla. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. My friends, these cheese patties come out delicious and amazing in this amazing mole. Of course, I am going to enjoy it with tortilla. You could enjoy it with rice. You could enjoy it in tacos. Excuse me. Mmm, nice and cheesy. Mmm. Let me tell you, once you make them, you're going to really enjoy them. Mm. Mm. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these cheese patties that came out so delicious and, of course, nice and filled with queso fresco. See you soon. Bye-bye.